Can you go get the baby?
Here.
What? Open yours?
Yeah.
To Derek. The video man. Says Merry Christmas from Deep Snow. The very cards and a bunch of love. Mom and Dad.
Yay! Thanks, Mom and Dad.
There you are.
Thank you.
Very cute. I like your cards.
Thank you,
who's
Mom and
that?
Dad.
Barbie?
Oh, look at that.
Is that Barbie? Barbie. Am I supposed to open it? This was pretty hard to open yesterday.
Yeah, let's do the big one.
Oh, okay. We got one more present for you. Are you
We
ready?
could not do this one until last because Lily would not stop
Okay,
price.
Lily, come on over here.
Come on.
Daddy will videotape over this way. What's this? What's this? Come on.
Daddy's awesome wrapping job.
Come over here. Can you open?
Open it.
Can you come open? Here. Open. Come on, girl. Whoa.
How they move?
What is it? Oh, your finger's stuck in the tape. Oh, it really is really stuck. I saved you. I saved you. What is this? What is this? What is it? Where are you going? Come on, Lily. What is it? What could it be? Can you pull the blanket down? The blanket down? Pull it down. Pull it down. Go. Pull it. Good job. Oh, isn't this? What is it? Oh, you're going up already? Is it a slide? It's a slide. What is this thing? Are you going down the slide? Okay, sit down. Sit, sit, sit. Whoa! Whee! Yay! Hello. Gonna go again? Okay, put your feet up. Good call on opening this last, Daddy. There's little steps right here. Step right there. Oh, you're like a queen in a castle. Okay, you sit down. Sit down.
Sit down.
Sit,
Good.
sit, sit. On your bum. Sit down. There you go. Okay, slide. Woo! Yay! Again? This is great exercise. Yes, use your ladder.
I'll figure it out.
Good job. You're doing it. Keep going. There's just another step up here. There you go. You did it! Big girl! You are a big girl. Yay, Lily. Hi. 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 Okay, sit down on your bum. Sit down. Good job. Where's your other leg? Oh, it's stuck. Okay, go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Woo! Yeah, girl. Do it again. Good job. Using your ladder. Skipping the next step. You did it! All by yourself. Big girl. Hi. 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 Oh, our teeth are stuck. Okay. Okay. What are you doing? Oh. go down sideways? Backwards? Woo! Backwards! You want to just go straight up to the ladder instead of walking all the way around? There you go. Let's push it back.
Have her go through the hole in there, right there.
Here?
Yeah.
I think she likes the slide. Keep going. Good job. You can do it. You did it. Hi. Oh, careful. Careful. I don't want you to fall over. Come this way. Hi. Hi. You gonna sit down? Whoa, are you gonna go backwards? Okay. Woo! Oh, can you go in through here? Go in there. Go in there. Yeah, go in there. Come on. Yeah, go in there.